Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this demo, I will show you that how to create your own data. Let's take an example. Let's suppose you are learning Excel, VBA or function and formula, but you do not have any data to work upon, right? So you can create your own data and according to that you can do manipulate it, you can do whatever you can do, right? So in 1 minute or less than 1 minute you would be able to create random data for yourself. So let's take an example. I have to create some months over here, then I will type here Jan and I will drag it to the right. So you can see that Jan to December data, Jan, Feb, March till December it has been created. And if you want to change the alignment, you can change the alignment, and you want to just put some random number over here, right? So simply type here rand between. Then it says that bottom means take lower value, like 100 I have taken. Then top means it should be greater than this value, 100, right? Whatever the value you will put over here. Let's suppose I put here 5, so I cannot put here 4, otherwise this formula will not work. It will give you a error. So you need to type here like I will just want to use 1 to 99 random number I want to generate, and it has been generated. Just simply drag it to left or right and then drag it to down. Then you can see that all the random numbers has been created, and change the alignment. And if you want to use the border, then apply border over here, and you can see that when you will press F9, then this number will automatically change over here, right? So if you want to remove the formula, so simply copy this, copy it. Once you will copy it, then you will go to the paste option, then click here in paste special and then click on values and then press OK. Now you can see that my rand between function has been disappeared. So in this way you can just create your own data and you can manipulate it according to your way. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.